Let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem there, right about that S. Put one finger in there and then push it left. That's gonna unlatch a secondary latch right there. That's how it works. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod from right there and then put it in that slot right over there, and then lower the hood a little bit to secure it, and that is looking good. Let's start with the passenger side bulb. That's the bulb right there. The way to access it, you have to go in right in the back, and that's the bulb holder. To get it out, all you have to do is just grab it and then twist it left to loosen it just a little bit, and there you go. Now it's loose and it should just come right out. There's enough wire length for you to be able to just get the entire bulb socket out like this. Now just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it comes right out. The bulb size is right there on it, 168 or 194 or T10. Again, 168 or 194 or T10. Get the new bulb, align it over there and push it in to secure it. And this is the awkward part. Just be patient because it takes a few seconds to be able to navigate the bulb socket back into the light. Once it's in there, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in straight and sits in flush like this. And at that point, just twist your right to lock it and you are done. Now let's move on to the driver's side. Same process, same everything, no differences whatsoever. That's the bulb holder right there. See, I can easily grab it and twist it left and take it out. There's enough wire length, just like the passenger side. Same bulb. When you're putting it back in, again, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it sits in flush. And that's it. Just twist your right and you are done. That's about it. Now to close the hood, just first push on the hood to take the load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it. Now lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.